In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to turn back. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have commenced a series of linguistics. In linguistics, we have started the chapter which is about syntax, and that is the study of the structure of the sentence. Day before yesterday, I presented the topic. It was about generative grammar. I told you that generative grammar is a theory which was produced and introduced and developed by Chomsky in 1950. The basic principle of generative grammar theory is that human being is born with the innate capacity of language. Even that innate capacity is programmed in the brain of human, and who is able to understand and distinguish between the sentences which is correct and wrong. It means that he is able, a common human being is able to know that either a certain sentence is correct or incorrect. And even the set of rules for the grammar and for the language, they are already shaped and programmed in the brain of human. Listeners and audience, today I'm going to teach you the topic how generative grammar defines the grammar of another language. So in this lecture, I'm going to share with you 3 points. 3 points I'm sharing with you that how generative grammar define the grammar of other language or the grammar of a language. First of all, generative grammar talk about well-formed syntactic structure. What does it mean? Well-formed syntactic structure means that according to generative grammar, a grammar will be capable to generate well-formed syntactic structure and will not generate ill-formed syntactic structure. What does it mean? It means that a grammar will produce correct sentences and the grammar of a language will not produce incorrect sentences. This is the first point which is defined by generative grammar for the grammar of a language. Secondly, generative grammar says that the grammar of a language will have or will be capable to generate a finite number of rules, but will capable to generate infinite number of syntactic structures and sentences. I'm repeating the second point. In the second point, generative grammar defines that a grammar of a language will be capable to generate finite number of syntactic structures and rules and will be also capable to generate with the help of those finite rules different and infinite number of structures and sentences. And the last point is that to reveal a phenomena, a grammar will be capable, the grammar of a language will be capable to produce a phenomena in order to know about those sentences which are superficially similar and closely related to each other, and also to know about a phenomena about those sentences which are similar to each other superficially but also how they are different from each other. So let's do some guidance. First of all, let me tell you about the rules of grammar. You know, this theory also stresses that a grammar has a finite number of rules. But with the help of a finite number of rules, the grammar will be capable and able to generate different sentences and different structures. And how it is. For example, if we have present independent tense, and present independent tense, we use first form of the verb. And when we talk about the structure, so we say that whenever we are talking about the first form of the verb, so if there is, for example, third person singular at the beginning of English sentence, so with the third person singular, we only add s or es with first form of the verb. On the other hand, if there is first person singular, plural, second person singular or plural, or third person plural, then we do not add s or es with first form of the verb. So, with the help of these rules, we are able to write many sentences, to write an essay, even to write a complete lesson. It is because of infinite number of sentences and finite number of rules.